In the previous video, we've seen how we can establish simple many-to-one and one-to-one relationships between two models with the ref field. In this video, we're going to expand on that and show how we can use the ref field to also represent a one-to-many relationship. So let's get to it. Creating a one-to-many relationship is fairly straightforward. First, we need to add the list equals true in the ref field arguments. So if we did that here, the favorite book will immediately be able to accept an array of book model instances. With this change, let's rename the field favorite book to favorite books, as that makes more sense now. And finally, note that internally, when the ref field is loading data, it will perform a query on the linked models database collection, in our case the book collection, and look for entries that have the author property set to currently loaded author's ID. So because of this, the final step in order to establish a one-to-many relationship between our two models is to add the author ref field on the book model, like so. Now that we have everything in place, we can assign both book 1 and book 2 to the favorite books field. The same rules we explained in the previous video also apply here. The array can accept model instances, plain objects, and IDs, and will internally create model instances and call the save method on provided model instances where necessary. The validation will also be triggered on every model before everything is about to be saved to the database, again where necessary. And finally, the field is asynchronous, meaning every time we want to access its value, we need to use the await keyword in order to wait for the return promise to be resolved. The only thing that's different, other than the fact that the field can accept multiple values, is that referenced model instances will automatically be deleted once the main one is deleted. So if we were to call the delete method on our author model instance, the referenced books would be deleted as well. We can see that if we printed out the number of books in the database before and after the actual delete method call. Before it, we can see that the number of books in the database is 2, and after it, it is 0. And that's basically all that there is to establishing a one-to-many relationship between two data models. In the following video, we're going to look at the final relationship type that the ref field supports, and that is the many-to-many.